Wow, am I excited about this one, guys. Thank you for choosing Straightline Chrysler. We have a 2020 Ram 1500 Sport all done up to the nines. How often can you guys say you can get into a brand new body style Sport, lift, rims, tires, fender flares, already done for you? All you have to do is get in and look good in the truck. Guys, this Sport comes to us in pearl white. Gonna take a quick peek at the interior. Power folding mirrors, leather mesh interior, super comfortable to sit on, spill proof, fully adjustable power seats, lumbar support. There's not much more you can ask for in a truck. Automatic headlights, adjustable foot pedals. We're going to take a quick look at the dash and display in here. You have a fully digitalized cluster, show you how fast you're going, show you how much fuel you have left, which direction you're pointing in, whatever you guys could possibly need. Full Bluetooth control right from the steering wheel, cruise control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You guys plug your phone in and it's going to take over this giant 12-inch touchscreen with your phone screen, making it as user-friendly as possible. Park senses, front and rear, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 4 USBs, and a giant center console for you guys to store anything you could possibly need or ever want. Wow. We can't say enough about this truck. Let's take a look at the back seat, see what you guys think of that. Crew cab, lots and lots of room as you guys can see. Same setup, leather mesh, USBs in the back. Everybody's going to be charging their phones and happy that you were the one driving them around. 998-0900 Fort Saskatchewan. Thank you.